This is RamBabu Pentyala. Today's topic is lead generation. What a lead generator should have predominantly, what is their basic attribute or predominant attributes to succeed in this line of industry? Yes, powerful communication they need to have. Of course, expressiveness. I don't mean to say communication means to speak in your native language or in English language or in Hindi language in a eloquent way. I mean to say communication with persuasion. And secondly, they need to have bulletproof mindset. Whatever the dust it is coming inside of your mind, you need to avoid that. What they are thinking about you, what the others are playing jokes on you, just ignore all them. You need to have the bulletproof mindset and rich, relevant and amazing content distribution to your target customers and clients. The content what you are shooting to the minds of your clients or customer, it should be rich and relevant to your industry. Whatever the industry you are working for, maybe it is infrastructure or maybe it is in real estate or maybe it is in FMCG or maybe it is in IT or ITS, the content what you are broadcasting to the minds of the clients or the customers, it should be rich content oriented. And public speaking skills, of course, like a politician or like the the other public figures, you may not have that much of outstanding skills, but minimum public speaking skills you need to have, and should understand waterfall effect in networking with the lead. See, what is waterfall effect? When you are seeing an object through the waterfall, when you are thinking that it is moving in one direction, it resembles in the opposite direction. Like that, when you shoot that particular idea to your client or customer, it should reflect your business. That is waterfall effect in generating the lead, and should be able to catch the big fish in the small pond. See, you may be interacting with the less group of the people, but you need to identify or you need to trace them out a big number of people from your search, and should understand the content, that the content is the king and distribution is the king in your castle of industries. Yes, content and distribution is the major secondary aspect in your lead generation part, and community service should be the order of the lead generation process. Of course, when you are sitting in your home or before your system or working in your particular community, you need to identify yourself that always you should be the center of the attraction in your community services, maybe through welfare programs or maybe through charity organizations. Whatever it is, you should always obviously involve in your community service, and top-notch content should be maintained in blogs and websites. As we discussed earlier, content should be rich, maybe through your public speaking or through your blogs or through your Facebook pages or through your LinkedIn pages. Whatever it is, when you are writing the content or coming out of the content through your oral communication skills, it should be very rich enough content wise, and they should build partnership with lead magnets, not magazines, lead magnets. What are those lead magnets? Insurance companies, personal bankers, commercial lenders, shopping malls, bakeries and restaurants, landscapers, cleaning services and hospitality service companies, courier services, movie or box office counters, hospitals or healthcare centers, other real estate agents, travel agents or reservation counters of public or private transport systems, local chamber of commerce. Very important thing. When you are the member of the local chamber of commerce of the particular industry or the overall industries, that fetches you good networking ability. Yes, charity organizations, door knocking activities, and through referrals. Finally, participation in local events and obtaining the event attendees list is the order of the day for your appropriate, accurate lead generation. And this particular skill of the lead generation gives you much awareness to your particular industry, and you can become very effectively succeed on this line of vertical. And finally, your mindset should be, your mind should think like a farmer. What the farmer does, he sows the seeds sometime, and by the time he expects the benefit, it automatically reaps those benefits without his knowledge. That is the cycle of the nature. Like that, you need to sow the good contacts to your business, so that that would become a fruitful and proper lead for your prospective converting sales into your business. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe Wi5 TV and stay tuned for the next week topic. We'll meet you again. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Hi, this is Noorun Sharif. Like, share and subscribe to Wi5 TV.
Hi, this is Priya Warrior. Do subscribe to Y5 TV.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు Y5 TV.